I got this set about 2 months or so ago, and they've held up to many washes. I purchased these to actually go with these. These are way more expensive, but this set did not have these size bowls. So I purchased this set to go with those, and they do not disappoint. As you can see how lovely that they are. I think that they're perfect, and I love the different designs, and the coloring is terrific. I'm extremely impressed. In fact, I'm going to order some more of the 8. So it's 10, 8, and I believe this is a 16 ounce if I'm not mistaken. But I love them, and I thought that I might not like the raised design, but I like it, and I've had many compliments on it, and it's priced really well.
I absolutely love my dishes. I actually bought 2 sets. I love them so much. So they're an adorable pattern. They're really heavy duty. You can see the cute texture on them. So one of the patterns is the polka dots. One has these really cool little lines. You can hear the durability. I love this one also. And then this cool honey pattern, like a honeycomb. The plates, you can also see they're a pretty good heavy duty thickness. Highly recommend. Very sturdy. I've dropped many and they have not broken.
Beautiful set. 4 different designs. They are textured, but that doesn't bother me. They're pretty sturdy. Comes with 4 plates, 4 dessert dishes, and 4 bowls.
I received my plates and bowls, and they are everything I hoped. The style is great. They worked well in the dishwasher. They have a little bit of texture to them. They are just as I expected based on the reviews online.
I love these plates, the different patterns in them.
They're really nicely made.
Bowls. Very cute.
Very, very cute.
The smaller plates are nice too. They just are well made. Lots of different patterns.
Here's a review of my dishes from Amazon. They're very cute. They come in different patterns, and you can layer the large plate, the small plate, and the bowl with different designs. There's 4 of each design. Aren't they cute?
Gently mumble. Just one of the bowls. They're nice and deep. Like it's a great cereal bowl. Can fit a lot in there. I'm happy with them.